This is Rupert's test. See if the old iron can be broken and the bullet can be broken. It can carry 8 tons. It's made in a very simple way, and the key is that it's also incredibly beautiful. Do it now. I have the materials ready. I've been wanting one for a long time. It's hot now. The glass rod hasn't dripped yet. No, cool down. It's almost there again. It must be my heating method that is wrong. Now I fix the spray gun. This should be more stable. Glass rod in hand. Touched it. It's getting hot again. Now cool down. It's almost there. This glass hasn't dripped yet. All your efforts have been wasted. I'll stir it up a little bit. Now, let it drip faster. Okay, it's dripping. It took 5 minutes this time. The pelvis is already very hot. If this glass rod were not assisted by me, it won't drip at all. Now take the tails out. Oh, something like that. It does have a slender little tail. Take a closer look. The nozzle of the spray gun is very hot. Be careful when using it. It's said to have snapped its tail off. It will shatter here. How come? Okay. It's probably a fake. It's all cut to the root and doesn't explode yet. Then I cut off the most vulnerable parts of it. Is the rest invincible? Okay. It was killed in seconds. I haven't used much force yet. That's not right. Do it all over again. This time I wet the toilet paper. Apply it to this gun head to cool him down. It should be possible to extend the time a little bit. Burn directly from the other end. No, it's only less than 4 minutes now. It's starting to get hot again. I can only see shake it a little bit. Help the steer drop. Okay, now take it out again. Look at you. I just said be careful with the nozzle. Feel this tear. It's the same as the last tear. Just clip off its tail to verify its true body. It's a fake again? That's not right. Compare the tears on the documentary. The tears on the documentary seem to be bigger. Bubbles in the middle of the glass. Got a little bit bigger tail. Tail is like brushed white. Maybe this is real or fake. Temperature of the spray gun is too low. There is no way to completely burn the glass into a fluffy state before falling into the water. This glass is back to its normal form. Now try his intensity. If it's not real tears, you can use a hydraulic press to put it. The iron press doesn't nest. Needless to say, mine is too shallow. Oh, the raw intensity is okay, but it can be clamped. Not reconciled. Do it again. It's over. Cool down. It's almost here. Now it's getting hot again. This glass doesn't mean to fall. No. It's too hot to turn it off. Why can't it burn this time? I thought tears were particularly easy to do. I didn't expect it to be so difficult for me. Actually, I asked the merchant again, what material is this glass made of? He said it was high-shed silicone. You also checked online. It can compare to ordinary glass. It has stronger high-temperature resistance. Will it have any impact on this? Anyway, today's experiment is a failure. That's it for today. See you next time. See you.